Hi, welcome back to Subtech Online. It's me again, Sabit Christopher. There is something which says visualize yourself as you want to be. There is a special way how you can accelerate your progress in becoming highly productive, effective, and efficient person. How do you do that? The first thing is you have to trigger that thinking continuously about the rewards and the benefits of being an action and oriented, fast moving, and focused person. So you should see yourself as a kind of person who gets important jobs done quickly and consistent in that basis. Uh, then the other thing is your mental picture of yourself is so much powerful to the behavior you show in the outside. Visualize yourself as the person you intend to be in the future. Your self image inside, it portrays a lot what we see outside. Then all improvements in your outer life begins with what you have improved in the inner. So the way how you see things in your inner, the way how you think about how to do something, and that's how you will continuously do it or practice to do it. As we said in the previous video, that you have to make a decision, you have to be determined, and you have to be disciplined. Then, when you train yourself through repetitive and practice, uh, doing things quickly and focusing on important things first, it always becomes a habit to yourself. You'll move on to the first track of your life and career and step on, and you become the accelerator to have that person you want to be in the future. And that is the potential you have to keep on. Please eat that frog. Eat that frog is do the important things first. Be selective. Bye bye.